Welcome back to the next episode of our 3D animated movie series, Bitcoin Tech Tales. In the previous episode, we explored the concept of the private key. Today, we will dive deeper into the public key and its relationship with the Bitcoin address. So, grab some snacks, sit back, and let's get started. Here are the private key, the public key, and the Bitcoin address. We already know the private key, so let's look at the public key and its algorithm. In our virtual Bitcoin wallet, we name the algorithm that calculates the public key, Pablo. To calculate the public key, Pablo requires the private key as input. For calculations, he uses one-way mathematical functions and algorithms. Their characteristic is that they are easy to compute in one direction, while computation in the reverse direction is inefficient and practically unattainable. Each private key has only one corresponding public key. However, you can never make a reverse computation and determine the private key from public key. Now we will finally turn our attention to the Bitcoin address. After the wallet has created the public key, our algorithm for address making, called Addy, can calculate the Bitcoin address. As input for Addy, the wallet takes the public key. Addy is a one-way algorithm that creates a fingerprint from the input data and processes some encoding to make the Bitcoin address. In our case, the input data is the public key, but it could also be a script. The wallet has finished the creation of Tom's private key, public key, and Bitcoin address. Remember that the keys and address are numbers. What you see here is their visual representation in our fiction world. The last two episodes taught us that the wallet calculates the public key and the Bitcoin address from the private key. Later, we will learn that you can't spend your Bitcoin sent to the corresponding Bitcoin address without the private key. Therefore, please do not share the private key with anybody, and keep it secure. If you lose the private key, you lose your Bitcoins. You only need to share your Bitcoin address to receive the payments. Tom stores the keys in his wallet before closing it, so that he can use them the next time he opens it. Now that Tom has a Bitcoin address, he has everything he needs to receive his first Satoshis. I hope you found this episode both informative and enjoyable. We delved into how the wallet calculates the public key and Bitcoin address. Be sure to join us for our next thrilling episode of the Bitcoin Tech Tales series, where Jane will take the first steps in the payment process for Tom. It will be an exciting journey, and I can't wait to have you with us. See you.